Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PayPal business account for receiving client payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up a PayPal business account, begin by visiting the official PayPal website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will then be prompted to choose the account type. Select business account and click continue. Enter your email address that you wish to associate with your PayPal business. Create a strong password that meets PayPal's security requirements. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Fill out the requested business information, including your business name and type. Select the category that best represents your business. Provide your contact information, including your business phone number. Next, fill in your address details. When you reach the business details section, provide information. Indicate how you plan to use PayPal, such as receiving payments or selling products. Confirm that you agree with PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy by checking the appropriate box. Click Continue to move forward. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from PayPal and follow the link provided. Once confirmed, sign in to your PayPal account using your email and password. You will be taken to your account dashboard. To complete the setup, link your bank account or credit card for smoother transactions. Navigate to the Wallet section on the dashboard. Select Link a bank account or link a card as per your preference. Follow the prompts to enter your bank or card details. If linking a bank account, PayPal may perform a verification process by making small deposits. Check your bank account for these deposits and enter the amounts in PayPal to complete verification. Your PayPal business account is now set up and ready to receive client payments. Consider exploring additional features, such as invoicing and payment buttons, to enhance your business transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.